I'm going to show you how you could permanently delete your TikTok account on your phone. So, when you're on the TikTok app, go to your profile and then click the top right, the three lines, and then click Settings and Privacy. Now from here, you're going to want to click the first button, Manage Account. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll see a whole bunch of stuff, but on the bottom you'll see Delete Account. Go ahead and press that. Now, pick a reason why you're leaving, and then it'll give you a whole bunch of, reasons why you shouldn't or ways you could fix why you want to leave. All that good stuff. If you don't want to pick one, just press skip. I'm just going to press skip. Now you'll see, review this one task before deleting your account. You'll see it'll ask you to withdraw referral balance. If you don't have any, then you don't need to. You shouldn't worry about this. And then you click the button down there which says if you delete your account, you will lose service above permanently. You click that. Then you press continue. Then after you press continue, your account will be permanently deleted. I'm not trying to delete my account, but once you press continue, it'll be done. You won't have an account registered with TikTok. I believe you could still make another TikTok account with that email. I believe so. I'm not sure. But that is how you delete your TikTok account.